Dirty blender? A lot of dirty blenders? No problem. Blender Cleanser Solid Pro makes cleaning beauty blenders easy. That's right, our best-selling formula is now charcoal-infused and provides exceptional cleaning results. Did I mention it's 5 ounces? Yes, 5 ounces. Meaning this jumbo-sized cleanser means business. Makeup artists and makeup lovers who need to quickly clean multiple blenders at once? This one's for you. Solid Pro smells amazing with hints of lavender and comes with a silicone scrubbing pad that is perfect for deep cleaning. First, soak your blenders in water. Apply soap all over and gently massage cleanser into the sponge. Use the scrubbing pad to release any extra residue by bouncing them against the raised bumps. Immerse the sponge back in water and massage Beauty Blender to remove product and any excess cleanser. Repeat until satisfied. Solid Pro leaves your beauty blenders as good as new. Got dirty brushes? Use Blender Cleanser Solid Pro to clean brushes instantly. Wet your soiled brushes. Lather them with soap and rinse. When you're done cleaning your tools, let your soap air dry on the scrubbing pad to keep everything nice and clean. We can't guarantee how long your sponge will last using other cleaning products. That's why we've created a perfectly balanced soap that not only gets out tough makeup stains, but maintains the integrity of your sponge. However, nothing good lasts forever, so we recommend replacing your beauty blender after 3 months. Blender Cleanser Solid Pro, a makeup artist must-have and a makeup lover's newest addiction.